alcohol no longer brings you enjoyment, pleasure, or peace. It is something that you avoid. When you let go of the need for alcohol, you can fully enjoy life in so many other ways. You are overcoming your need to drink one day at a time. Breathe. Now, visualize with the great power of your imagination that you are fully sober every day. Living life happily without alcohol. See it clearly. Notice the things you are doing when you no longer need to drink. How do you feel in your body when you are sober and healthy? How do you feel in your mind when you have fully let go of any addiction to alcohol? See yourself clearly living a sober life. Being full of energy. Happy. Free. You deserve to be healthy. Beginning to heal your relationships with people. Visualize yourself in as much detail as possible. Dedicate